Hello you guys. Today me and my husband we at Village Inn. We got the Ragin coffee, but I already got my coffee and stuff. But yeah, so yeah. And if you order a drink, you get a free slice of pie. And this is the pie that I might get. It's called caramel pecan sip supreme. That's only if you order a drink, you get a slice of pie and stuff. Which I bought my own coffee this morning. So
you gotta get an entree and a drink.
I mean, yeah, you got to get an entree and a drink, right? Yeah. But anywho, yeah. So happy Wednesday, you guys. Yeah, happy Wednesday. Today is April 8th, 2026. So this is my first entry. We just placed in our order. Okay, so guys, so they brought our. This is something new at Village Inn. What they call the one? The
Raisin Cajun?
Raisin Cajun.
Something
new that they got out, which it looked delicious. Me and my husband, we got the same thing, so.
You don't have to film.
But I don't have to film here. You hear in the background. Oh. Yeah, this is his day off, so yep. They got the serve. It look pretty good, you guys. Yeah. Look pretty good with my water and my orange juice. Wow. That looks so awesome. I like these little pans that they serve it with. Huh? And the pancake look awesome. Exactly. Yes, sir. Yeah. All right, you guys, let me eat because I don't want my food to get cold. Seems like it's just barely warm, you know?
It's not like the Skillet is not like the one you get at where is that place where you get those Skillets? They're not that hot.
Right. Try to wait for 2 minutes, then I'll cut it off. So you just undone it. Oh, I did say happy Wednesday, April the 8th, 2026. Alright, so I see you guys. Hope you guys like our breakfast. Anyway, like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, show me what's good on the Cookin show. And if this is your first time watching the Cookin show, share your friends and your family as well. Like, comment below if you have any questions. Don't miss video up. Subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. If you want to see the next video that I post on my Cookin channel, just make sure you guys click the notification bell on. And you see the next video that I post on my Cookin channel. That being said, you guys have a nice day. Be safe. Today, I'll see you guys in the next video. I really like this Skillet. I might have to search for that. Okay, bye-bye. I think I overdid my syrup on my pancake.
Wow.
I know. I'm like, remember your brother did that? Oh, I overdid it, you guys. But anywho, whatever. Oh. Well, you guys, I'm at the even though I just ate half of that, and this is how much I ate the pancakes, so I don't got full. So yeah, but I'm going to take that home. My husband said he's gonna eat it all again. So yeah. Alright, I just want to come back to see you guys. I didn't really finish that. Yeah, I could tell. Leave me. Okay, you guys. So this is my to-go box.
Too much.
But anywho, this right here is the leftover. Yeah. So yeah, this won't come back. I like these little containers. So nice. Where our pie? In here? Okay, you guys, so that's how the pie looks. This is my pie, and this is his pie. So just take it to that. I've tried to open the box, but that's okay. And this right here is my husband.